In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can stop Discord from starting up when your Windows PC starts up. So it can be super annoying. So what you need to do is you want to right click on your Windows logo at the taskbar over there. And then you want to open up the task manager. If it opens up like this, what you want to click on is more details. And then over here it says startup. Click on startup and it should show Discord in this list. But if it doesn't show Discord in this list like it is on my computer, the one you need to disable is this one here. It says update by GitHub. So if I click on that, update by GitHub, and it took some researching to find out that this is the one that you need to disable. All you need to do is click on disable at the bottom right hand corner, and then Discord won't start up when you start up your Windows PC. So you can just exit out of that. And then what you can do is you can click on your taskbar and then just type Discord and open up Discord. And then you want to click on the settings gear cog at the bottom. And then over here by app settings, you want to click on Windows settings. And here it says open Discord. Save yourself a few clicks and let Discord greet you on computer startup. Just toggle that down. And then Discord will for sure not start up when you start up your computer. You can close out of that and then you're done. So that is how you disable Discord on Windows Startup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.